Drop dudes and he see it go, yeah. Drop a deuce and he see it go, yeah. Fucking these beef in the bag. I might just marry the cat. Stuck. Too much money on us, step back. Bro, these belly came in the room, not a set.
What's going on, y'all? It's Eddie here. And in today's video, as you guys see by the title and the thumbnail, the Dart is officially stands with no springs. Now, first things first, probably won't be too long of a video. I'm just gonna go over how it looks right now and why it even has no springs in it. Probably get some shots, get some B-roll or some cinematic footage of it, but not too much talking in the intro. Leave a like, drop a comment, and sub to the channel if you're new. Without further ado, let's get into how it looks. Alright, this is officially how it's looking right now. This is how it looks right now.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
I'm not gonna lie though. Yeah, so this is how it looks right now. There's no springs in the front and the rear. The back is actually tucking a lot. The back is actually a lot lower than the front. RIP fender, but the back is actually tucking a lot more than the front. The front is tucking a little bit, but now this is how it's looking right now. Crazy payment. I actually had to take the spacers out because it was rubbing a little bit. The tires were rubbing a little bit, but so these are how it looks with no spacers, no springs. I'm essentially just riding on stock, riding on struts and shocks right now. But honestly, y'all let me know how it looks. Honestly, it looks kind of fire. It's not ideal, but it looks pretty fire though, I'm not gonna lie. The back is pretty low. There's a little bit of camber in the back as well. But no, that actually looks, this angle looks kind of crazy, not gonna lie. But y'all let me know how it looks. Like I said, it looks crazy good right now, but obviously this isn't ideal long term. Don't lie, this isn't a permanent setup. Obviously, I'm not gonna ride on just straight shocks and struts like permanently. I actually have some coilovers that I'm gonna install pretty soon. So yeah, this isn't a permanent setup, but I'm probably gonna try to install these tomorrow. Actually, I'm actually gonna get those installed pretty soon. But for now, this is how it's looking. I'm not gonna lie though. Like I said, I actually like how it looks right now. Like it's pretty much just slammed to the ground, basically. Especially the back. The back is pretty much slammed to the ground. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That actually looks kind of crazy, but yeah, y'all let me know though. Does it look good like this? Does it look goofy? Does it look crazy? Like I said, it's not a permanent setup. Obviously I have coilovers that I'm gonna install pretty soon. But for now, this is how it's sitting. Bro, let me shut what the heck, bro? For now, this is how it's looking. I'm riding with no springs, just straight shocks and struts. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend that. This is all for scientific purposes. This is all for entertainment purposes, and it's basically an experiment. So I definitely don't recommend riding with just no springs, but it does look really good in my opinion. Like I said, I probably will make a video of when I get these installed and do like the final setup of how it looks. But for now, yeah, like I said, for now this is how it looks. No springs. Not too much talking in the video. I'm gonna go and get some cinematic footage and get some shots of how it looks.
share something with y'all. Yeah. Alright. I got something to share, y'all. Wanna take the time out to let you know I don't fear y'all. Say you getting money, but you cool, call it fair ball. Ballin' till I'm bald, wipe that nair off. You ain't know I could put words together, try to spare y'all. We ain't scared, young niggas in area. My cousin, he ready and he cannot wipe a tear off. If you ain't with it, then why you here, dog? Shaking like you scared, dog. All that courage turns so cowardly, just like the scared dog. Fuck, you gon' swing, or we just gon' have a stare off. My new girl allergic to fur leather in the